And I will also insert a few video clips during my unboxing. Alright, so actually I am not fan of Samsung phones because I've been using Oppo recently and been using Apple since for the past few years. But since I was given a Samsung A9 as a gift by a friend, so I decided to give it a try. Alright, so guys, this is the box. Okay, and comes with the this one, a small JBL speaker, this one, and a charger, and this one with the battery pack over here. It's 10,000 mAh. Alright, now guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung ito. May dalawa siyang SIM card na pwedeng lagyan, dual SIM. And oh, sorry. Ito pala. Lata talaga ito. Tapos yan. Tatlo. Dalawang SIM dito, micro SD. Tapos Samsung has been generous with onboard storage and Galaxy A9, and it comes with 128 GB built-in flash storage. And if you wish to expand further, then there is a provision of the use of the 512 GB micro SD card, which is ito. Dito. Ito. Tatlo siya. Okay. Okay, so apart from because there are 3 colors I've seen in YouTube and in the Samsung store, other than the Caviar Black, the other 2 colors options, the Lemonade Blue and the Bubblegum Pink, look quite flashy. Mas maganda siya tingnan. See, maganda siya tingnan. Okay, I found the pink variant to be the best looking among the 3. And having said that, the front and back glass, ito, okay, attracts smudges very easily, and the phone is quite slippery. Kasi, tingnan nyo, madali siyang mag-smudge. And a person like me na very sweaty, I'm having a sweaty palm, I have to use another extra cover at the back para to protect the phone. So yeah, sana magawan to ng solusyon ng Samsung just to look para hindi ma-compromise yung phone. Okay, so sa upfront, Samsung is using its signature AMOLED Infinity display for the Galaxy. So ito yung niya, yung camera. I'm going to show you guys the camera. Yan. Okay, may siya, may panorama. Okay, panorama view. My Pro. Yung panorama niya is full screen. And the beauty. Then live focus. Auto. Okay, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo guys. And Ang downside lang nito na napansin ko is Samsung kailangan kong magdala ng dalawang charger kasi this phone is using a type C charger. Ito. So, see, hindi siya katulad nito. See the difference? So, kailangan kong magdala ng dalawang, I'm not very sure whether all the phones in the future will be using type C, but then at the moment, ito yung dilemma ko. I have to bring two chargers because, not unless I am at my workplace, because I have another charger there, which is this one. Okay. Ito pa pala yung nagustuhan ko dito guys sa phone na to. This phone, when I charge in the morning before I left to work, before going to work, it will only take around 30 minutes to 40 minutes of charging. Then it's 100% na siya, and it will the battery could easily go for 1 full day without charging. So, even the next day, may 40% pa siyang natitira. So, that phone does not hit a bit while charging, but that's normal. Yeah, does hit a bit while charging, but that's normal. So, yeah, for the overall review dito sa, yung verdict ko dito sa Samsung is, maganda siya, handy siya, may kalakihan lang, mataas siya, mahaba, mahaba siya, rather. So, pero maganda siya, very handy, and the camera is not so good, pero maganda siya for taking photos, especially yung favorite ko na wide angle camera. So yeah guys, you may try buying this and check out some other reviews first if you decided to buy a new phone. You may consider this, and sana magustuhan nyo siya. So bye guys, thank you for watching again my video, and see you again next time. Bye. Okay guys, so that is all for today with regards to the new Samsung A9, and i-check nyo na lang muna kung talagang gusto nyo siya, or maganda ba siya sa tingin nyo. Pero maganda talaga siya, pero yun lang, yung downside pala nito, yung napapansin ko pa pala is ito, yung charger niya is type C. So kaya kinakailangan kong magdala ng dalawang chargers since dalawa yung phone ko. So pwede namang cable lang yung dadalhin nyo. Kasi hindi siya yung katulad nung dating, yung ibang Samsung na yung medyo makapal yung dito. Ito yung type C siya. Ito guys. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos, and see you again next time. Bye!